Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to break down this VFD wiring diagram step by step. If you've ever wondered how the main circuit and control circuit work together, this video is for you. First, let's look at the big picture. This diagram shows two main sections. Main circuit handles power supply and motor connection. Control circuit handles signals, inputs, and outputs. Think of the main circuit as the muscle and the control circuit as the brain. The main circuit is at the top. Here's what we have: L1, L2, L3. These are your three-phase power inputs, U, V, W. These go to the motor. Braking unit and braking resistor, used for dynamic braking when the motor slows down. So, power flows from L1 to L3 into the VFD and then out to the motor through U, V, W. Now, the control circuit. This is where all the logic happens. Digital inputs DI12, DI4. These are for start, stop, forward, reverse commands. Analog inputs AI1, AI2. For speed control using a potentiometer or 4 to 20 milliamp signal. Digital outputs Do1, Do2. For status signals like run or fault. Analog output AO1 sends feedback signals. RS4, 85 port for communication with PLC or other devices. Basically, this section tells the VFD what to do and reports back what's happening. The main circuit powers the motor, while the control circuit decides how fast and in which direction it runs. Inputs come from switches or sensors, and outputs go to indicators or controllers. Quick question for you. Which part do you think is more critical? The main circuit or the control circuit? Drop your answer in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your fellow engineers. Got questions or tips? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.